Nice, guys. We got our Delta Executor. It works amazing. Yo people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the latest trick how you can get Delta Executor newest update for your Roblox, guys. Absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software that would harm your device, guys. In this tutorial, I will show you literally everything step by step, and later we will test it, does it actually work. So guys, you can use it with your Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices. So guys, for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you got and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily, and then click on Delta Executor tool, and then we will have to enter our Roblox user ID, guys. If you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here how to find it, or let me quickly show you. So go to your roblox.com profile, and guys, there is your account. Just copy your profile URL. So let's copy it and let's get back to the tool. So guys, just click on this button, so it will automatically extract your user ID from your URL profile, and just click continue, and it should search for our user account, guys. So let's wait for this. Nice, user found. As you can see, guys, it's really important to get. So there is my account. It's my account, guys, Mark, and that's my avatar. So guys, now we will have to import newest updated Delta Executor to our account. Just click on this button, and then it's optional tool, but if you want, you can select pre-installed script to get with our Delta Executor. So the best script you can currently do is Forge Hub, for my opinion. So I will select Forge Hub, guys. You can select literally what you like here. You can review these scripts on Google or YouTube, whatever you like. So select this and click continue, guys, and we are band protected, so we don't have to worry. I have friends who are playing with this Bloxforge Delta Executor, and it's working for about few months and they are safe, so you don't have to worry, guys. And let's see what we got now. Nice, API is connected, our user account is connected, guys, and we got our activation key. Nice, as you can see, it's generated. So guys, now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, guys, and it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our newest updated Delta Executor with key, of course. So guys, we will have a list of 6 free tasks, and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, complete tasks for your choice, I mean by your choice. So you can complete game downloads, you can complete app downloads, you can also do simple questionnaires. It's really up to you, guys. You can do literally whatever you want. It's just important to complete 2 tasks from this list. What will I do now? I will download Domino Dreams, and I will download Playful Rewards. So these two, this is game and this is app. So guys, how will I do it? Just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone. And if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store, so you don't have to worry, because it's all free and all from the official publishers. And guys, it's also really important to follow their instructions. So for Domino Dreams, I will install it, open and complete chapter 5. And for Playful Rewards, I will download and install this, then play 3 games for 5 minutes. So guys, see you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I've just completed this and this task from this list. As I said, Domino Dreams and Playful Rewards, guys. I have followed their instructions and I got this. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened, guys. It should redirect us every single second, so let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. Our user ID connected and our Delta Executor key is connected, and now it's unrevealed. As you can see, it's full. So guys, I'm so excited to test it right now. Does it actually work? Let's open our Roblox and let's see, guys, will we actually get Delta Executor? So we can play literally whatever game. Let's click on fish. Let's click play, guys. I like to play fish, so let's test on fish game. And let's see, does it actually work? Let's rotate my phone, guys, and let's click continue. So nice, guys. we got our Delta Executor. It works amazing. So as you can see, we got it. And now we have to test it. Does it actually work? Let's claim this. And let's stay here. So guys, we will also test our script. So let's see, nice guys, we got our Forge Hub. Let's click execute. That's script that I was talking about on start of the video. So we have it pre-installed. So let's see guys, does it actually work for fish? It should work for every single mode. So let's click on player and let's test some options guys. So as you can see, player, ESP, infinite jump, speed, anti-AFK guys, you literally have a lot of options here. So we can click on farm, enable farming. Let's click all of these guys, perfect cache. Guys, this Delta Executor is working amazing. As you can see, we got all these amazing settings. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel for more content. Guys, once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.